everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate import and export report in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system. After your successful login, this is how the dashboard looks. Now go to My Reports module. Here we have to search for the report. Now click on the report. After page navigation, fill the details as per your requirements. Choose the date range. If you want to generate report for export shipment, then you can choose export. Or if you want to generate report for import shipment, then you can choose accordingly. Click on the submit button. If you want to download the report, then you can click on the download option provided, or if you want to send the report via mail, then you can click on send mail option. If we click on the downloaded file, then we can see the report preview downloaded as an Excel file. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate export and import report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.